In the previous exercise, we have generated the key pairs using the PuTTY key generator. Now we are going to use those keys to test passwordless authentication. Let's access the browser and open the IBM Flash System V9000. We have different models available for IBM Flash System. For example, FS5200, FS9500. These all are product of same IBM Storage family. Click Create User option under Access and Users section. Specify the username. Select Administrator as the access. Specify the password and then retype the password to confirm. Go to Browse and search for public key that you created in the previous session. You can browse my channel to search the video on how to create these key pairs. Select the public key. Click Create. Observe this background command that is being executed here. Click Close. This background command can be helpful for CLI execution. Now go to the administrator user group. You will observe the user is created there with admin privileges. Right click the user and you will find remove password and remove SSH key option is there. You can also see the same option going to the actions menu. The administrator user has all privileges except for managing the other users. Now we are going to use the same option to create two more users with different access. First, we will create the user with monitoring access. We will use the similar options. Select the user group, specify the password. We will not specify the public key here. Observe the background command again. This can be again used in future for CLI reference. You will always find these commands in the audit log. Creating the third user with copy operator role. Specify the name for the user. After the name is specified, select the user group for copy operator role. Specify the password. Rekey the password. Click Create. Observe the background command. It is the same command executed each time for all the users except for the difference in the user group for each user. We are in the administrator panel. Let's switch to the all users panel and observe the three users that we have created. All three users are present. I'm doing a complete series on IBM Flash System. Please do subscribe my channel for notification on new videos. Thanks. Take care.